In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an email in Gmail. Sometimes a message needs a second chance. Maybe the recipient missed it, or you want to make sure it lands at the top of their inbox. While Gmail doesn't have a built-in resend button, there's a simple, reliable way to send the same message again without rewriting anything. Start by opening Gmail and heading to your Sent folder. This is where all the emails you've already sent are stored, so it's the easiest place to find the exact message you want to send again. If you're not seeing the Sent folder at first glance, look along the left sidebar and expand your list of labels until you find it. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the original email. Search by subject line or the recipient's address if that helps. Next, hover your mouse over that sent email in the list and right-click. A small menu will appear with a few options. Choose Forward. This action creates a new outgoing message that includes the body of the original email, and it will automatically copy over the content so you don't have to start from scratch. You'll now see a composed window with the original message quoted below. The To field will be empty, which is exactly what you want. Click into the To field and type the same email address of the recipient you originally sent it to. Take a second to double-check the address before you send. This is a great moment to confirm you're resending it to the right person. At this point, you can simply click Send. That's it, you've resent the email. The forwarded message will include the original content, and if the original had attachments, those are typically included as well. Because you're using Forward, the subject line may show a forward indicator. That's normal and won't affect delivery. The important part is that your recipient receives the same information again, right at the top of their inbox. Here are a couple of quick tips for clarity and professionalism. If you want, you can add a brief line at the very top of the message to let the recipient know you're resending for visibility. Something short and helpful goes a long way. Also, avoid making unnecessary edits to the original quoted content so the message retains its original context and formatting. To recap, open your Sent folder, right-click the email you want to resend, select Forward, address it to the same person, and hit Send. It's a simple workflow that keeps your message consistent and gets it back in front of the right eyes.